There we go. Alright guys, this is Paranormal Mike with Southbound Paranormal, and let's see if I can get this just right. And I was out here just doing some stuff, and I already posted the video, but this little light right here above the mountain just appeared just about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes ago. I turned around and I was talking and looking up the hill at the cemetery, and I noticed that little light right there just decided to just pop up and just cruise right to that part of the mountain and just kind of pause. Let's see if I can get that to focus here real quick, guys. I got a real small focusing lever there. But yeah, that's not a star. That's something, but I don't know what it is. And it's just hovering there. So I'm going to zoom out real quick. Switch back to auto. There we go. But yeah, it's just chilling there. Let me know what you guys think that is, because yeah, there's no noise coming off of it, and it's just hovering above tabletop right there, or at least it appears to be. But as you can see, if I pan around, there are stars out there, but as you can see, the camera can't pick it up. See, that's the moon right there, and see, there it is. Sorry, it's hard to aim sometimes. There we go. But a nice moonlit night out here, but that thing just decided to show up, and I don't know if it's watching me or someone else, but it's a bit creepy. I'm going to go ahead and get on with what I was doing here. Is it just me? That thing is lower. I'm going to pull that up later on. Hasn't been but 15 minutes and that thing's lower. But then again, here you go, guys. That thing's getting lower. After a few minutes, it's just kind of hovering there. Not enough time has gone by for a planet to... It just doesn't make any sense. But anyway, if you guys know what that is, let me know. It's just not... It's not twinkling like it's out there like a star. It's definitely not shining like a planet either. It just kind of... Whenever I first saw it, it just kind of... Sorry, there's a bug on the thing here. It just... I looked up in the sky and it moved, and then it just stopped above tabletop. And that's about it. This is Paranormal Mike with Southbound Paranormal, and I'm out.